Hi guys, this is Elise. I just wanted to come in and share with you a small haul that I got from Tuesday morning. It was some of the Pebbles Christmas Cozy and Bright collection, and then I want to show you something that I made with it. So first of all, I got the paper pad. Now I saw in someone else's video that they had the 12 by 12 paper pad. My Tuesday morning did not have the 12 by 12, so I got the 6 by 6. And look how adorable these papers are. Really, really cute. I think this came out 2018. So, and here is the SKU number. Oh, let me turn it this way. Here's the SKU number if you're interested in getting this from your Tuesday morning. My Tuesday morning had quite a bit, and they also had the crepe paper Merry Days collection, which I did get some of that as well on a different visit, and I'll probably show that in another video. But this video, I didn't want it to get too long, and I wanted to show you the things that I made. So, this is the Cozy and Bright collection, and I did pick up some of the extra pieces that go along with it. I got these tags, which these are so adorable. And you get 24 in a pack, and you get 6 different designs. Really, really cute. And there's the SKU number. I decided to jump in and do a couple craft fairs this year. I had one last Saturday, which went really well. And I do have a few things I want to show you guys that I took to that craft fair. And I do have another craft fair in December. So I'm trying to get a few more things made. I'm sort of starting from scratch because I don't have any craft fair like inventory or anything like that. So I'm starting from scratch. So I'm having to make some things. Now I did get these 2 die cut sets, which these have more of the sentiments. Let me show you. So adorable. Look at those snow globes. So cute. You get 3 of those, but they're all different. So adorable. And here is the SKU number for this set. And then I got this set here, which is more of the images, really cute images. Look how adorable those are. And of course, you know, I immediately was drawn to the gingers. I love this. Love this. Lots of peppermints, and these little fairy guys are not elf fairies. These little elves are so adorable. And then there's the cup of hot cocoa. So, so sweet. And I actually bought 2 of each of those. And after I finish my projects, this is what I have left from those 2 packs. Okay, then I got some of the puffy stickers. These are so cute. And there's the SKU number for those. You get the Santas, you get the little elves, the peppermint sticks, the gingers, the little peppermint candies, and the holly berries. So cute. Love it. And then I got a pack of these stickers. And you get a lot of stickers on this sheet. And I'm not sure if there's more than one sheet. Oh, there's 2 sheets. But this is how they look. And there is the SKU number there if you're interested. Okay, and then they had lots of the stamp sets. I only got one. I got this one. And if I go back that way, I may get one more. But this one had the ginger. It had the cocoa cup. It had the little stocking. And then I love these mittens. Those are so cute. So I got that. And then I got one of the sticker sheets. So like I said, my Tuesday morning, surprisingly enough, they had quite a bit of stuff left. So I was able to grab a few things. So that is what I got from Tuesday morning. So let me show you what I made. I made some gift card holders using that collection and a few things from my stash. So here's the first one. And I just love the way this turns out. This is one of those snowflakes from the Dollar Tree. I had some of those in my stash, and then I used some of those elves from the collection, one of the snow domes, and a little snowman. I added a little ribbon bow to this one, and a little peppermint here. I added these little pom-poms to the tops of their hats, and look how adorable that turned out. Now, this holds a gift card. And look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, do you guys keep your gift cards from the years before? This gift card and all the gift cards I'm going to show, I've probably had them 3 to 4 years. And look how cute this is. Because you can reuse them and just reload them. And it fits perfectly right down in the center of this little pocket. And this little pocket, it looks like this. And this little design, I don't know who came up with this little design, but it's been around for a while. And I have seen people use this little design. But basically what you do is just take a square piece of paper and you just fold it tip to tip, and then you fold the edges in and open it up, and it just kind of like holds itself together. You don't have to use any glue. There's no sewing involved. This one I just put this little I was just kind of, this is like my little sample. I just put this little, what do you call this, little rosette in the center. I'll probably decorate this a little bit more, but this is actually a different collection of paper. But that's what that is, and this is how it looks on the back. And there are tutorials out there. I will link a tutorial in the description box below on how to fold this. But like I said, this has been around for, this little fold has been around for a while. You can put tea bags, you can put those little Ghirardelli not coffees, but chocolates. They fit perfectly down in there. And you can just add, you know, a gift card, and it's just so adorable. Okay, so this is my first one. Okay, and here's the next one. So cute. And here is the gift card that I added. And again, this is a gift card that I've had for a while. And if you go on Starbucks, when they put out their Christmas gift cards, they don't mind if you take more than one. And that's what I usually do. I usually take more than one because I like to use them in my December daily. And I actually need to check these because I think a couple of these may actually have money already loaded on them. So, but look how cute this is. And so these little stickers are from, I believe these are from the Dollar Tree. It comes on a sheet like this. I don't have the packaging, and I can't remember if these came from Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree. So, but I added that, and then I got this little crochet flower. This came from Jill Norwood. Hi, Jill. So cute. And then I added some those, you know, snowflakes, and then I added this little glittery tree, and everything else came from that collection. How adorable is that? So that's the second one, and then I have this one. Look how cute. I don't know if this is my favorite one, but it's adorable. I used a couple of those little elves. I use these little leaves here. Those also came from Jill. And then here's the gift card. Okay, just tucks right in there. And this is how it looks when you remove the gift card. So cute. And all of these pieces came from that collection. And this is the paper that I used on the back. And you can see that how I folded it. And it just tucks right down in there. Look how adorable that is. And then the last one, oh my gosh. Okay, guys, get ready for this one. OMG, look at this. Look at this. How cute is that? So these pieces came from the collection. This was in my staff, this little ginger here. That came from Hobby Lobby. I added a little snowflake here. This little ginger, I believe that could have been from the Dollar Tree, and I added a little bow to her hair. That's actually just a little cutout that I used cut out with on my Sizzix. And then look at this gift card, guys. I've had this one for probably, I know, 3 or 4 years, and I will not get rid of that one. I'm going to keep that one. I'll have to find another gift card to add to this. But look how cute, because these are actually going out as thank yous. I need to send some thank yous out. So look how cute is this. Oh my gosh. So anyway, these are my gift cards. I will be making tons of these for my next craft show coming up, and they're so fun to make. All you have to do is just start layering things on your, and they don't even have to be this layered. You can just make them simpler, but I was just having a little fun with the die cut pieces. And like I said, I'm going to go back to Tuesday morning and probably get a couple more sets just so that I'll have enough to make a few of these for the craft show. So those are my gift card holders. And guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll know when I upload a video. So thank you guys, and have a great day. Bye.